What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Alan.
And I'm Leslie.
And today, guys, we're really excited to show you guys the Nike and Sacai LDV Waffles. We've been waiting to have this pair of sneakers in our collection for a while now. And on today's video, we're going to be telling you guys why we think this sneaker is one of our favorite sneaker release of this year.
And we're also going to be giving you guys a detailed on-feet review. So you guys should stay tuned to the end of the video.
Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification button below so you keep up to date with our new videos. First up, we're going to start off with a quick unboxing to show you guys how this sneaker came in the box. Guys, it came in this orange Nike box. It kind of reminds me of the Nike boxes that came with the Air Max back in the day. And it comes with two laces. It comes with the lace on the sneaker and the off-white lace that comes as an extra lace. And the material is really interesting. Like, it has like a mesh material that's see-through. The rest of the material is a suede that wraps around the shoe. It's not really a high quality suede, but it still gives it a really interesting look. And I really like the double stack sole. It really gives it that high fashion look. And like, guys, this sneaker in the summer is gonna be perfect. And when it comes down to the sizing, I think you guys should go half a size down, because the mesh, since it's breathable and it's see-through, it gives it a little bit of room, so you might want to go down half a size.
Guys, when this sneaker came out, the release date was going crazy. First off, it released and people got their hands on them, and it was going for like 1,000 on StockX. And then it recently released on May 16th, and people got their hands on it, and now it's going for like around like 400 last time I checked on StockX. So if you guys want to pick this up, I think you guys should check out StockX and watch out for the prices, because I think it's going down. So you guys should really watch for like the low point, and then you guys can pick up this sneaker for like really cheap. Guys, this sneaker is very unique and it's gonna be one of my top sneakers of this year. It also reminds me of the Air Max 197 by Sean Weatherspoon, because it has a multitude of colors on the sneaker and it allows you to style it a lot differently. It also reminds me because the Air Max 197 by Sean Weatherspoon, they combined the Air Max 1 sole with the 97 upper, whereas the Nike and Sacai LDV Waffle, they use the Waffle's midsole and combine it with the LDV running shoes midsole, which gives it that high fashion look and makes it very unique. The collab between Sacai and Nike, it came with multiple colorways of this shoe and I think a blazer. But like, I like this one over the different colorways of the LDV Waffles. I was thinking about copping the green pair, the green colorway, but yeah, the green colorway also looks good. But like, these ones were like the first ones that we had our eyes on, and the greens ones were second. And then they also had like a gray colorway that came out. I wasn't really messing with that one.
That one was too like subtle and boring.
Yeah.
These sneakers are gonna break necks this summer. It's gonna be really eye-catching, and it's perfect for the summer because you can style them with shorts, pants, and pretty much anything you have. And like, these sneakers will make them look good. So if you guys are looking to cop a pair, you should like hop on them right now, because like right now they're not going for like a ridiculous amount. And we're not gonna bore you guys with talking about the sneaker too much. And we're just gonna show you guys how we style them. So before the video ends, if you guys are not already subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe below. And please turn on that post notification so you get notified when we post a new video.
And also, guys, leave a like and a comment down below. Do you like the Sacai and Nike LDV Waffle running shoe, or do you mess with the blazers?
We There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want.